But let's head inside. Let's go see Mazda. Oh, it's just like last year at Sebring. Instead of the lounge, the Mazda owners lounge, they're doing this marketing thing. So teach you all about the car and their philosophy on cars.
Food in here.
Oh, there might be food. Let me see. They have a keychain creation station. So create your custom keychain. Hey, you want a custom keychain? All right, so here at the Mazda exhibit, they've got this machine here that they'll take your selfie, right? They'll take a picture of you, and then they will print it onto a cup of coffee. They've got lattes there with like whipped cream on the top, and they're printing it with like an edible ink. So actually, my picture's printing right now, so let's check it out.
So 3 hours and 47 minutes to go with the first full course caution of the year, a single car into the Group C. And the second one, early going, race control good, absolute opportunity for that car to play.
All right, look at this handsome man right here.
I don't know if I'd say that.
Shut up. Look at that. Hey. I want to admire this fine picture before I consume it.
Can I have myself right between the eyes, you think?
Yes. All right, cheers. Man, that tastes good. Stuart, I see you're a man of wealth and taste. Here you are in the Miata RF. How are you liking it?
I'm actually considering buying one of these, so I wanted to sit in it and actually size up one.
I must say, the steering wheel is awfully close to your nuts.
Well, here's the other thing. You wouldn't think it's that spacious, but I can actually cross my legs.
Bullshit, do it.
So that's my legs crossed.
Okay, not bad.
So I'm actually really comfortable in here, believe it or not. There's no glove box. That's the only thing. There's no glove box down here. It's
Damn, even the NB and NA had glove boxes.
It's over here like my S2000.
Okay.
And neat feature with Miatas. These are your cup holders.
Oh, nifty.
So it goes there, or else it goes back here behind your arm, and you have to contort to get your zesty drink. So I just want to test the throw real quick, actually. So that's first, second, third, fourth.
It's not bad.
Fifth, sixth. I see why they don't sell any short shifters for this car.
There's no need. It's already super short. I mean, go put it in first. Put it in second. Like it's boom. Like, how much shorter do you really want it, honestly?
A little bit shorter.
But like for what? Like, I'm sure someone will make a short shift kit, but it's like, for what?
I mean, you could probably reduce the throw. Ideally, if it was me, I would want to reduce the throw maybe another 10%.
All right, so Stuart, you've got a, what is that?
Galaxy S9 Plus. This is my favorite requirement with any car. I need somewhere to put my big-ass phone. So Mazda actually conveniently puts a little pocket right there where I can kind of fit the phone.
It's not too bad, but it's gonna fly out.
Yeah. So center console, right? The little armrest lid that you rest your arm on. 10 out of 10.
Hold on a second. Put it back in.
Let me find those keys. Let's see.
No. Put it back in and put it back in and leave it there. That's just gonna crush your phone.
They got phones.
So there's nowhere to put your phone. You put your phone in the. Kind of put it in the cup holder.
Well, you also have a massive phone, so that doesn't really help.
Yeah. And if I had a Note 9, I'd kind of be out of luck.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Galaxy S8.
I do.
Let me see your phone. Because your phone might fit. So your phone fits nicely.
Yeah, because my phone isn't a. Well, you have a oversized phone, so try to put it in the glove box in the center console. Is it better?
As long as it's.
Hey, well, there you go. All right, so what's your name? What's your name, sir? Ben here is putting the, holy crap, that's kind of cool. Putting the top up, so the whole backside lifts up. There you go. Top goes up. So it moves with all the flying buttress and everything. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Kind of like a 650S.
There you go. So this is basically a miniature 650S.
So the RF stands for retractable fastback.
Retract, but it's not a fastback.
Yes, it is, technically.
Okay.
But that's what the RF stands for. It's retractable fastback.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
And here's the other thing. So the fastback only weighs about 70 or 80 pounds more than the standard car does, but you get 6 more horsepower.
Oh, so it basically offsets everything.
Pretty much, yeah. And it actually, from what I've heard, they are not that top heavy.
You know what I would do? Flying me out a V8 swap.
Okay, yeah, let me buy a $35,000 car and then spend another $50,000 on it.
It's not another $50,000. It's only another $30,000.
So it's like $39,995 or something like that. And then you start adding in extras and it becomes $50 grand.
Yeah, it's pocket change.
$80,000, I'll go buy a used Modena.
Modena.
Buy a used Ferrari 360.
There you go. That's a purchase.